Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vehicle Info. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at the 2025 Airbus A350, one of the most advanced and efficient wide-body aircraft in the skies today. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a traveler curious about the planes you fly on, or someone interested in aerospace technology, this is the video for you. The Airbus A350 is not just an aircraft, it's a statement of modern engineering, design, and efficiency. First introduced in the early 2010s, the A350 has undergone several updates over the years, and in 2025, it represents the pinnacle of what Airbus can offer in long-haul passenger travel. The A350 comes in two main variants, the A350-900 and the A350-1000. The A350-900 is the base model, capable of flying up to 15,000 kilometers with around 300 to 350 passengers. The A350-1000 is the stretched version, slightly longer, seating around 350 to 410 passengers depending on the cabin configuration. Both versions feature the same innovative technology and structural design, but the 1000 offers additional range and passenger capacity. What makes the A350 stand out is its extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced polymer. Over 50% of the aircraft's structure is made of composites, which makes it lighter and more resistant to corrosion compared to traditional aluminum. This translates into improved fuel efficiency and lower operating costs for airlines. And in today's competitive and environmentally conscious aviation market, that's a huge deal. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the A350 is powered by Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, specially developed for this aircraft. These engines are among the most efficient large turbofan engines in service today, offering lower emissions, quieter operation, and less fuel burn. In fact, the A350 burns about 25% less fuel compared to previous generation aircraft in the same category, like the Boeing 777-200 or the Airbus A340. The 2025 A350 models come equipped with Airbus's latest avionics and flight control systems. It uses a fully fly-by-wire control system, which not only improves handling and safety but also reduces pilot workload. The cockpit features 6 large LCD screens and a layout very similar to other Airbus aircraft, which helps with fleet commonality for airlines, meaning pilots trained on one Airbus model can easily transition to the A350. From a passenger's point of view, the A350 offers a noticeably improved experience. Airbus has designed the A350's cabin to be quieter, more spacious, and more comfortable than many other wide-body aircraft. The cabin pressure is maintained at a lower altitude level, around 6,000 feet, which reduces passenger fatigue on long-haul flights. The humidity levels are also higher than in older aircraft, again contributing to passenger well-being. The A350's cabin width is about 5.6 meters, allowing for comfortable seating arrangements. Airlines typically configure the A350 in a 333 layout in economy class, but premium classes like business and first class enjoy even more space and privacy. The overhead bins are larger, the lighting is LED-based and customizable, and the air filtration system is top-notch. Airbus calls it the airspace cabin, and it's designed to deliver a better flying experience from takeoff to landing. Now let's talk about the new developments in the 2025 model. Airbus has made subtle yet significant updates to the A350 this year. One of the major ones is the introduction of the new A350 freighter variant, called the A350F. This version is optimized for cargo operations and meets the new ICAO CO2 emissions standards that will come into effect in 2027. With over 70% commonality with the passenger A350s, the freighter version offers airlines flexibility and cost savings. Another note for the update in 2025 is the implementation of more advanced connectivity systems. Passengers can now enjoy faster in-flight Wi-Fi, thanks to upgraded satellite communication systems. Airlines have also started integrating more personalized entertainment systems and even biometric boarding features that sync with passengers' devices and preferences. The A350 has also become a favorite among many major airlines around the world. Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, Lufthansa, British Airways, and Delta are just a few of the big names operating the A350. Airlines appreciate its fuel efficiency, long range, and passenger comfort, all of which make it a solid investment in today's airline industry. One interesting aspect of the A350 is its role in ultra-long-haul flights. Singapore Airlines, for example, uses the A350 $900 variant. AULR stands for Ultra Long Range 8 to operate the world's longest commercial flight between Singapore and New York. That's a non-stop flight of over 18 hours, and the A350 handles it with ease. In 2025, we're seeing more airlines consider the ULR for connecting distant city pairs without stopovers. Another area Airbus has focused on is sustainability. The A350 is part of Airbus's commitment to reducing the carbon footprint of aviation. In 2025, more A350s are being delivered with compatibility for sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. Airlines are also using the A350 as part of their strategy to retire older, less efficient jets, helping the entire industry reduce emissions. Airbus has also been experimenting with new wingtip designs called sharklets and advanced aerodynamics to squeeze out even more efficiency. Future versions may incorporate elements from Airbus's zero-emission aircraft concepts, although for now, the A350 continues to lead in terms of real-world performance and environmental benefits. To sum it all up, the 2025 Airbus A350 is a technological marvel, a perfect blend of efficiency, comfort, and future-ready features. Whether you're flying on it, watching it at the airport, or learning about it online, the A350 represents a big step forward for commercial aviation. Thanks for watching this video on the 2025 Airbus A350. If you found it informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Vehicle Info for more in-depth updates and insights on the latest in aviation and transportation. See you in the next video.